How to change name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Changing name on ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the ESPN Fantasy Sports app. Launch the app on your device. Once you are on the home page, open setting. Tap on the gear icon which is located at top right corner. Account information. In the setting menu, scroll down until you find the account information option. Once you find it, tap on it. Navigate to account delete option. In the ESPN account information section, look for an option related to account delete. This is where you can change name. Scroll down to personal information, then tap on your name. Change the name, type the name you want, then tap on done. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.